All right, everybody. New little job coming in. A little Kawasaki Mule. Got a little 3-cylinder diesel. Apparently, it has an overheating problem. So we'll get inside the shop and find out what's going on with it. Guess it's probably a blown head gasket. All right, so we're gonna get into this and find out what's going on. So this is the little 3-cylinder diesel engine on the Mule. We're gonna go ahead and pull the head off of it and see what we find. Hey everybody, thanks for watching.
Please subscribe and hit the like button.
And don't forget to share and hit that notification bell.